Hey, hey, hey. This is Shanice with Shanice's Nurture the Holistics, and I want to do a little walkthrough of how I make one of my most popular spiritual cleansing products. This is my Cleanse with Benefits bar. What I've done so far is I cut my soap up into cubes and I'm melting it down in my Instapot. I have my little special blend of herbs prepared and set aside that I'm about to grind down in my coffee grinder. I'm turning it counterclockwise as this soap is programmed to remove negative energy and to cut cords with stagnant energy and to just uplift your energy overall. So we want to remove anything impure. What we have here is me just stirring up the soap mix, and I'm getting ready to add in my herbs here, my blend. And I'm going to just give that a good mix so it's mixed thoroughly and evenly distributed so we can get those herbs in every inch of that soap mix, because it's not working if it's not in there good. These herbs support not just spiritual health, but on a physical level, they're really good antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. This soap base is really moisturizing, so no, it won't dry you out. You can use this from neck to toe. I wouldn't recommend putting it on your face just because of the herbs in here, but it would not hurt if you wanted to. At this point, I am mixing in my essential oils, and I just put a few drops. And I'm just getting ready to pour my soap into my molds here. Let it settle so they can harden up. And I'm going to let the video do its thing from here. Quite honestly, it's kind of self-explanatory what's happening. But if you'd like to grab the coldest spiritual cleansing bar on the market right now, I definitely recommend you connect with me. This soap can be found by visiting the link in my bio, or you can DM me on whatever platform you see this on. Have a great day. Bye. I normally don't pour herbs on top of the soap, but for the purposes of this video, I went ahead and did it so you could get a close-up view of, the goodness in all of this. It's gonna only enhance the performance of the soap, so my client gonna love this. And now I'm just pulling the soap out the mold. You see how that look?